Hey guys, so I know I haven't done a video in a while. Sorry. I really wanted to stop, but whatever. In this video, I'm going to be singing Songbird by Santana from Glee. Or at least, that's where I heard it. I don't know if it's actually off Glee, but I know we did it. I don't normally watch Glee, but my sister and her best friend are complete and total Glee, which is really funny, but whatever. So we were playing Glee karaoke last night, and yeah, I aced this song and I never heard it before, so kind of like it. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. So this is Songbird from Santana. For you, there'll be no more crying. For you, the sun will be shining. And I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And these songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you. Like never before. Oh, oh, and I wish you all the love in the world. And after all, I wish it from my soul. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. Like never before. Like never before. So, yeah, that was Songbird by Santana from Glee. Hope y'all liked it. I don't know, I did. I love that song. And I never heard it before yesterday. Wow, things change fast. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to me, subscribers are awesome. Um, you can post comments down below, for requesting a song. I have a couple friends that requested one. I haven't gotten around to all of them yet, but I will. I haven't exactly done a lot of videos yet. But check out some of my other videos. Um, some of them I do rant in, just so you know. But, yeah. Alright, bye.